How long does it usually take for milk to come in after giving birth?
Hello there. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating aspect of motherhood, breastfeeding. Specifically, we'll focus on a question many new mothers often ask: how long does it usually take for milk to come in after giving birth? By the end of this video, you should have a good understanding of the typical timeline and some factors that can influence it.
What happens immediately after birth?
Firstly, it's important to know that your body begins preparing to feed your baby long before you give birth. Around the mid-pregnancy, your breasts already start to produce colostrum, a thick, yellowish form of breast milk, which is often referred to as liquid gold, because it's so high in antibodies and nutrients. It's the first milk your baby receives, and it's perfectly suited for their initial needs. After you give birth, the release of the hormone prolactin stimulates the production of milk. Initially, you will continue to produce colostrum. This is available for your baby in the first few days post-birth.
When does mature milk come in?
After the colostrum stage, mature breast milk production begins. Typically, this transition occurs between day 2 and day 5 postpartum. Some mothers may experience this as early as 30 hours after birth, while for others it may take up to a week. This phase is often referred to as milk coming in. During this time, your breasts may feel full, warm, and may even leak milk. This is a normal part of the lactation process as your body adjusts to the demands of feeding your newborn.
What factors can influence milk production?
Several factors can affect the timing of milk production. These include how often and effectively the baby is feeding, whether the birth was stressful or involved medical interventions, your general health, and previous breastfeeding experience. Remember, every woman's body is different. If you have concerns about your milk supply or if your milk hasn't come in within the typical time frame, you should contact a healthcare professional or a lactation consultant for support. In conclusion, while the specific timeline can vary, most women will begin to produce mature milk between 2 to 5 days after giving birth. It's a natural process that your body is well equipped to handle, but don't hesitate to seek help if you have any concerns. Motherhood is a journey, and it's perfectly okay to ask for guidance along the way. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding your body's amazing journey into breastfeeding. Happy nursing!